Today we're going to bring an outdoor indoor light fixture, and now this one I'm going to show you a couple things you can do. This one actually can rotate from left to right the light. All right, all you got to do is make sure you got the back end. You're going to set up 4 screws, all right, on those 2 sides. Now one of the best things about this, it's just very simple. It's ground, hot, and neutral. That's pretty much what we're gonna have to connect. 3 connections, all right? So to set up this is pretty light. It's not too heavy. It's not gonna take too much weight. So just make sure you have a strong back for the actual support of it. And let's put it together and see how it looks at night. All right, check this out. Now it has motion sensor on the top. Now this is rotate. You could rotate it to any direction you want. If you want more light to the left, you could. If you have a garage entrance, this is perfect. Now you see the light fixture, it's blinking right now because it turns off. It's very sensitive. And you can set up, there's a button on the top that you can set up different modes too. Right now we're going to test it out and see how it works. So as you can see, it dimmed down. It did not turn off completely. And I'm going to walk in front of it so you guys can see it turned on. So the motion sensor is going to turn it on as soon as I walk in there. Now we're going to change the mode, the different modes, all right? So this one's completely off, but look at that. So we're gonna go away and it's gonna turn off completely. Now as soon as I walk in front of it, anywhere near it, it turns on. All right. Now we're gonna change the mode to always have on, but it just dims down. That's pretty much it. So that's how it is. There's only 2 modes right now, but very simple. The best thing I like about this that you can actually rotate it to any direction. So like I said, if you have a garage entrance and you're walking in and you want to make sure you're facing the entrance, both of them could be facing the center, or if you want to rotate it on the other side, and they're like almost a 45-degree angle, all right, a 90-degree angle from this area, but you can't go any further than that. That's pretty much it. And then rotating like this, the fixture. So very simple to actually rotate it any direction you want, and the sensor is a plus. So hope you guys enjoy this video.